So, we will start by adding a new task. We will enter the task name, its due date and the projects it's related to. You can see all the inbox assigned tasks and the unplanned tasks in this calendar right here. You can simply just drag and drop your tasks into the calendar right here. And here, you can view all of the upcoming tasks and projects. And here, you can view all your progression in different areas. Every project page has its tasks inside the page. And by pressing this New Project button, you can add a new project. When creating a new project, you can add the status, due date, priority, and its assigned area. And here, you will see a board view of the projects assigned to each area, where you can drag and drop projects into different status. And here you can view all the different databases inside this template, including tasks, projects, areas, inbox. When a task or a project is archived, it will appear here. Thank you for watching and enjoy your template.